welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So today we are going to study the MCQs on field effect transistor that will include JFET and MOSFET. So let's begin. First question, a JFET has three terminals, namely A. Cathode anode grid, B. Emitter base collector, C. Source gate drain, or D. Positive, negative or neutral. And the right answer, as you know, the JFET or the junction field effect transistors has three terminals, that is source, gate and drain. Next question. The operation of a junction field effect transistor involves A. Flow of minority carriers, B. Negative resistance, C. Recombination, or D. Flow of majority carriers. And the answer is flow of majority carriers. Next question. The input gate current of a field effect transistor is a few milliamperes, a few amperes, a few microamperes, or D. Negligible. And the right answer is gate current is negligible. Next question. In a p-channel JFET, the charge carriers are A. Electrons, B. Holes, C. Both electrons and holes, D. Neither electrons and holes. So as you know, in p-channel JFET, you have holes, and in n-channel it is electrons. So here the right answer is holes. Next question. A JFET is also called as dash transistor, unipolar, bipolar, unijunction or bijunction, and the right answer is unipolar. Next question. A JFET is a dash controlled or driven device. A. Current, B. Voltage, C. Both current and voltage, or D. Power. And as you know, JFET is a voltage controlled or driven device. Next, a MOSFET has dash terminals A2, B5, C4 or D3. And as you know, the MOSFET has four terminals, that is drain, gate, source, and you have body terminal also. So a MOSFET has four terminals. Next question. The gate of a JFET is dash biased. A. Reverse bias, B. Forward bias, C. Reverse as well as forward bias, or D. Neither reverse nor forward bias. And the answer is reverse bias. Next question. The input impedance of a JFET is dash of an ordinary transistor. A. Equal to, B. Less than, C. More than, or D. Less than or equal to. And the answer is more than. Next question. When drain voltage equals the pinch off voltage, the drain current dash with the increase in drain voltage. So as you know, drain voltage is VDS, drain current is ID, and VP is known as pinch off voltage. So A decreases, B increases, C remains constant, or D increases exponentially. So when the drain voltage equals the pinch off voltage, the drain current remains constant. Next, if the reverse bias on the gate of a junction field effect transistor is increased, then width of the conducting channel dash is decreased, is increased, remains the same, or decreases rapidly. So if the reverse bias is applied to the JFET, then the width of the conducting channel is decreased. A MOSFET can be operated with negative gate voltage only, positive gate voltage only, positive as well as negative gate voltage, or no gate voltage. So as you know, MOSFET can be operated with both positive as well as negative gate voltage, or it can be also be done with zero gate voltage. Next question. A JFET has dash power gain. A small, B very high, C very small, or 0. And the answer is very high. Next question. What is the main advantage of FET which makes it more useful in industrial applications? A. Voltage controlled operation. B. Less cost. C. Small size. D. Semiconductor device. So all these applications are of FET, but the most successful application is of its small size. Next question. For a FET, when will maximum current flow? A. When VGS is 0, that is gate to source voltage is 0. B. When VGS is 0 and VDS, that is drain to source voltage, is greater than VP, that is pinch off voltage. C. When VDS is greater than pinch off voltage. And D. When VP is 0. And the answer is B. Next question. The Shockley equation is A. ID is equal to 1 minus VGS upon VP the whole square. B. ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS upon VP the whole square. C. ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP raised to 1. Or D. ID is equal to IDSS 1 plus VGS upon VP the whole square. And the answer is ID is equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP the whole square. This is for FET. Next question. The input controlled parameter of a JFET is dash. A. Gate voltage. B. Source voltage. C. Drain voltage. D. Drain current. And the answer is gate voltage. Next question. What is the value of drain current when VGS equal to pinch off voltage? A. 0 amperes. B. 1 amperes. C. 2 amperes. D. 3 amperes. So as you know, when VGS is equal to pinch off voltage, it is on the x-axis. So the answer is 0 amperes. Next question. To use FET as a voltage controlled resistor, in which region it should operate? A. Ohmic region. B. Cutoff. C. Saturation. Or D. Cutoff and saturation. And the answer is ohmic region. Next question. In a JFET, when drain voltage is equal to pinch off voltage, the depletion layers A. Almost touch each other. B. Have large gap. C. Have moderate gap. Or D. None of the above. And the answer is the depletion layers almost touch each other. Next question. In a JFET, IDSS is known as A. Drain to source current. B. Drain to source current with gate shorted. C. Drain to source current with gate open. D. None of the above. And the answer is drain to source current with gate shorted. Next question. For a P-channel FET, what is the direction of the current flow? Source to drain, drain to source, gate to source, or gate to drain? And the answer is source to drain. In FET, the drain voltage above which there is no increase in the drain current is called dash voltage. A. Critical. B. Pinch off. C. Breakdown. Or D. Pick off. And the answer is pinch off. Next question. A MOSFET is sometimes called as dash JFET. A. Many gate. B. Open gate. C. Insulated gate. Or D. Shorted gate. So this is the main difference between JFET and MOSFET, as MOSFET has insulated gate. Next, in a FET, there are dash PN junctions at the sides. 3, 4, 5 or 2. So the FET has 2 PN junctions. Next, the channel of a JFET is between the gate and drain, drain and source, gate and source, or input and output, and the answer is drain and source. So it can be N channel or P channel, both is between drain and source. Next question. For VGS is equal to 0 volts, the drain current becomes constant when VDS exceeds A. Cutoff, B. VDD, C. VP, or D. 0 volts. And the answer is VDS exceeds VP, that is pinch off voltage. Next question. A certain JFET data sheet gives VGS of is equal to minus 4 volts. So VGS value given is minus 4. So the pinch off voltage VP is A. plus 4 volts, minus 4 volts, C. dependent on VGS, or D. data insufficient, and the answer is plus 4 volts. Next question. The constant current region of a JFET lies between A. cutoff and saturation, B. cutoff and pinch off, C. 0 and IDSS, or D. pinch off and breakdown, and the answer is pinch off and breakdown. Next question. A N-channel D MOSFET, that is depletion type of MOSFET, with a positive VGS is operating in dash a depletion mode, the enhancement mode, C. cutoff, D. saturation, and the answer is the enhancement mode. Next question. IDSS can be defined as A. minimum possible drain current, B. the maximum possible current with VGS held at minus 4 volts, C. the maximum possible current with VGS held at 0 volts, D. the maximum drain current with the source shorted, and the answer is the maximum possible current with VGS held at 0 volts. Next question. When an input signal reduces the channel size, the process is called A. enhancement, B. substrate connecting, C. gate charge, or D. depletion, and the answer is depletion. Next question. When VGS is equal to 0 volts, a JFET is A. saturated, B. an analog device, C. an open switch, or D. a closed switch, and the answer is saturated. Next question. The electrons flow through a N-channel JFET from dash to dash. A. from source to drain, B. from source to gate, C. from drain to gate, D. from drain to source. So the electrons flow through the N channel. So as you know, electrons and current direction is opposite. So for the N channel, it is from source to drain. Next question. When the JFET is no longer able to control the current, this point is called breakdown region, depletion region, saturation point, or pinch off region, and the answer is breakdown region. Next question. Which component is considered to be an off device? A. Transistor, B. JFET, C. Depletion MOSFET, or D. Enhancement MOSFET. So as you know, in enhancement MOSFET, the both channels are not connected at the start. Later on, after we apply the voltage, they get connected. So the answer here is E MOSFET, as it is off device. Next question. Which of the following terminals does not belong to the MOSFET? Drain, gate, base, or source? And the answer is base.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.